Have you been looking for a way you can design your professional company logo, and you are thinking that you must hire a professional to design it for you? In this video, I'm going to show you how an AI software can design a professional company logo and brand for you in just 3, 4, 5 minutes. You're going to design a professional looking company brand for you. You don't need to hire a professional to design a logo for you, a flyer for you, a business card, a mock-up for shirt, for anything. This AI tool is going to design it professionally for you in less than 5 minutes. So before I show you, let me take you to my system now so that you can see what I'm talking about. Okay, now it's a new logo and brand design. Let AI powered logo maker generate new logo, create matching stationery, and design a brand you love. Very simple, very straightforward. So it said, let's make a logo. You just click it. It will take you to it said, let's make a unique logo for your brand. Then it said, what is the name of your logo? Okay, I'm going to type tangible money. Tangible. Tangible money. I'm going to use tangible money. And my slogan is make money while you sleep. Okay? Make money while you sleep is my slogan. Okay? I just need to do it now is to click continue. It will ask you what industry is your company? What industry is your brand? Is it travel, fitness, retail, religious, real estate, legal? What is your company about? What are you selling? What is your business all about? Mine, I'm going to choose finance. Okay, now it says select your color scheme that matches your brand. So what color is your brand? You can choose. Me, I'm choosing warm. Okay, continue. Then it's going to show you should select your font. Now each of these fonts represent companies that have used them before. Okay, like this one, this modern is the one used by Channel, BBC, Mobile, Google. Elegant is used by Rolex, Zara, Dove, Prada. Okay, you can just choose the one you want to create this logo for you, right? The magic is happening, guys. The magic is happening. I told you it's going to do this for you in less than 5 minutes. Just see the magic. It's going to show you more than 100 designs in less than 2 minutes. More than 100 designs. Is this not magic, guys? Guys, oh my God, have you seen this now? See, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe to this channel and please like this video. Please like this video, okay? We can now go through it and you just have to select the one that best suits what you want. All right? Okay, I'm going for this tangible money. Let me click on this one. Is it not magical? If you're not okay with what you are seeing, all you just need to do is to edit. It's going to bring different design just for this. Just choose the one you want. But this time, let me make use of this. All right. So if you like what you're seeing, you can just save it. But if you don't like what you're seeing, you can adjust everything you are seeing here. You can adjust the color. You can adjust the style. You can adjust anything you don't like. Just adjust it. All right. Make it beautiful. Make it look elegant. Okay. Go to the layout. Just choose your best. Choose anything you don't like. Just when you are satisfied, all you just need to do is to save it. But if you are a new person, you are just logging in for the first time, it will ask you to log in. First, you need to log in. All right. This is for the logo section. You can design flyer here. You can design anything as simple as that. Guys, the name of this website is logoai.com. logoai.com. You can remove your image background. You can design anything, posters, banner, and art design for your image. Let's say we want to do mock-up, for instance. Okay, all you just need to do is to upload an image. Let me upload this image, and it's going to automatically remove the background. All right, automatically remove the background for you, so you can place it. You can place the image on any of the mock-up that you choose for your brand. All right, very simple and easy. So you will not go through the stress of going through the Photoshop to remove background, to do this and that. All the other stress is gone. Right now, it's removing the background. Okay, let's just give it a little time. So right now, our image is ready. So guys, this is awesome. You choose exactly the one you want and adjust it to your style, adjust it to your brand, make it perfect for your brand and save it. As simple as that, right? You can go to another one for social media posts, social profile, all of that. Just take your time and go through it. I just want you to go through it and do your own study on this website. Like I said before, the name of this website is logoai.com. Okay. Once you can come here and edit it, arrange it the way you want it, and what you download. See, you click on the download. You can still click on this to adjust this the way you want. Once you're done, all you just need to do is to hit. You can check other variety here. Okay, see other design. Once you're done, all you just need to do is to hit download. Right? It will just download for you. And oh my God, is this not awesome, guys? This is awesome, guys. This is beautiful. You don't need to go through the stress of hiring a professional designer to do this for you. In 5 minutes, you are going to learn to design this all by yourself, just sitting in your home office. No money spent, no, nothing, no time wasted. All you just need to do is to follow the right step. Guys, do you like this video? Please click on that subscribe button if you are yet to subscribe. Don't forget to like this video, all right? Create your own designs, all right? Just study it and just do what you can do with this, all right? This is so beautiful. There are a lot of things you can do with this. Don't waste time thinking about it. It's just as simple as it is, right? It's not that difficult. Until I see you in another video, let's keep sharing, let's keep subscribing, and I'll see you again.